जंगल के पक्षी प्रकृति के अनमोल रत्न होते हैं। ये पक्षी जंगल की हरियाली और शांति के विचरण करते हैं। उनकी मधुर चहचहाहट जंगल को संगीतमय बनाती है। विभिन्न प्रजातियों के पक्षी जंगल के पर्यावरण को संतुलित रखने में मदद करते हैं और जैव विविधता का महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा होते हैं।
It's called Old Man's Beard, and this Old Man's Beard it's not moss, it's actually a type of lichen, which is a fungus that uses algae as its food source. And this lichen is incredibly absorbent, very porous. And on sunny days, which are a few, this tree is way more up here, but this Old Man's Beard accumulates so much water in it that it holds it all down.
3, 2, 1, go!
Old Man's Beard, and this Old Man's Beard it's not moss, it's actually a type of lichen, which is a fungus that uses algae as its food source. And this lichen is incredibly absorbent, very porous. And on sunny days, which are few, this tree is way more up here, but this Old Man's Beard accumulates so much water in it that it holds it